I bet you're wondering what the heck I'm doing in Brienne's kitchen.
I know, what are you doing in my kitchen? She just showed up today, I don't know what's going on. Actually, I get messages all the time about the types of foods I eat, what's gonna get you fit, what's gonna get you looking sexy. So let's show you guys some fast and fit foods that you're gonna love. Today, I have a cottage cheese and avocado salad.
Okay.
That's gonna be amazing. It's refreshing, it's light, there's a lot of veggies in it.
So just tell me what to do and we can make this happen.
We need half a cup of cottage cheese.
Yum. And I said yum to cottage cheese, but I actually don't really like cottage cheese.
I'm talking you into cottage cheese, girl.
Yeah.
You don't want to skip a snack that doesn't have enough protein in it.
Because this girl loves her protein.
I love my protein.
1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a dash of salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and then we need half a cup of grape tomatoes. We need half a cup of English seedless cucumbers,
You really like your cucumbers large.
I like them large.
1/4 of an avocado,
And then the cilantro.
2 tablespoons cilantro, and then mix it up.
Okay. Voila, it is done.
And it looks amazing, it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. So you wanna give it a try?
Sure. Smells good. It's actually really good. You know what? You can't taste the cottage cheese at all. Which is a
wanna
good
taste it.
thing. I give it 2 thumbs up.